How to open Facebook links in apps instead of a browser. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open the Facebook app, you want to go ahead and log into your Facebook account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you're inside the menu section, you want to go ahead and tap on the square-like icon at the top right corner. Now once you're inside settings and privacy section, scroll below and then under preferences, you'll then be able to find an option that says media. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now inside media section, scroll all the way to the bottom and then under links, you'll then be able to find an option that says open in external browser. So you want to go ahead and toggle off that button and just like so, you'll then be able to open Facebook links in app instead of a browser. So that ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.